Boost your trading success by understanding what trades you traded last week and what trades you're going to trade next week. Guys, this is just an update for the week, and just bear in mind, I'm not going to be editing this video, so please excuse the ums and ahs. This is raw footage. I'm just going to show you what I think is going to happen in the markets next week and what happened last week at the end of the day. So let's go to the charts and let's go and see what we're going to get for the new week. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be bad? You guys in the USA had a fantastic holiday last week. Happy Thanksgiving and all that. But now, down to business and down to what's going to make us money next week. Because as you know, we're swing traders and we trade the swings. So that's what we're going to do, man. Let's go to the charts and let's go and have a look at what happened last week. And let's go and have a look at what's happening next week. Where shall we start? This US dollar CAD trade. I think we called this as trade of the day. Fantastic stuff. It looked like it was going to go long and did absolutely nothing. But then a lot of trades did absolutely nothing on Thursday and Friday. So you can't expect much for them. Coffee with Rob, so I'm going to have my coffee. As I normally do. I hope you guys will join me for the live show on Tuesday. And of course, Thursday. Tuesday, I normally do the European sessions. So it's morning here for me, probably for you guys as well. And on the Thursday, I do the USA session, which is kind of late afternoon for me. Well, not late afternoon, but afternoon in general. And I normally get in just before you guys open. We talk a little bit and we chat a little bit about trading. So join us for that as well. But then also don't forget to watch the normal videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which give you a lot of training and teach you how to trade with support and resistance. By the way, so US dollar CAD, I still think that's long, but let's start with the indexes. Let's go to the top and let's start with the FTSE. The FTSE is still in a long range. Look at this range. This range has been going on and on and on and on. I could sit here for 20 minutes saying that. This just goes up and down. So I would say that while this looks like a bit of a short, and it probably could go short here, it is creating a flag pattern which could go up into the resistance. So you probably could go all the way back up to 83.90 before it turns around at this total resistance level and comes back down. So FTSE, bit of an in-between here and there. The markets actually did fly up on Friday, but then settled back to where they were. Don't worry about this tiny little short that I've got on here. I was just experimenting with something. But my opinion was, pay $100, and if the market crashes over the weekend, so be it. And then make $200. But it really doesn't matter. Just playing the fool. But at the end of the day, this is long because it has broken structure. It is long to the upside. And it's going in that direction. So guys, don't play into this. This is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, NASDAQ is long. It's in structure, staying on the long side. Look at the trend support. Look at the pattern. Definitely still going long. Dow Jones will show you the same picture, and it's even accelerated to the upside. All long. Are we going to get the Christmas rally? The big question about the Christmas rally is this. It's run so hard already. Can it run further? Yes, it can. It normally does. These are things that do happen. So don't think because it's run so hard, it's not going to run any further. It may still do so. But there's a lot of geopolitics in the world. There's a lot of things going on. So do be cautious over this Christmas. Don't just go, ooh, Christmas rally, just buy. Just be cautious. Now, the VIX, definitely if you can buy this, and if you do have a broker that allows you to buy the VIX, what a trade. Just buy it and wait for that spike. The DAX, that just shot through and went long. I last week I was calling the two head and shoulders, and I was also saying lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and thinking short, but I was stopped out on this one. I was expecting it to go to the moon. To go down, and it went to the moon. It broke through the resistance, and once it broke through that resistance, guys, that's trade invalid. Off she goes. We didn't wait for the main stop loss. We got out before it, so that's fine. Not a full loss, but yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So this has gone shooting up. But that said, it is now at a very, very, very strong resistance. So I would be cautious going further long on this. It does look like a triple top at the moment, so that could go short. Let's see what it does on Monday morning. France 40 long. Looks like it wants to bounce out of the support. It's hit support, teetering around here, wants to go up. The Nikkei, last time I called it, it was short. And there's a head and shoulders that's developed on the Nikkei. It hasn't broken that structure yet. So there is a good possibility that this could continue on down short. You see here, it broke through the trend support. It's gone back up to retest and it's coming down. And even this area of supply here is sort of giving you confluence, and it took that money and it's coming down. Looks like it wants to go further. So I'm kind of short on the Nikkei. SA top 40. SA top 40 is hitting its trend support. If you get a green bar coming out of the trend support, long. Otherwise, if it breaks through here, then you're going to get a strong short trade. Nvidia recovered and is doing well. So glad I added to my Nvidia investment during the week. Makes me feel better because I added to it at around 134 bucks and it's now gone up to 138. So it just adds to the investment again. Absolutely, bro. That's how you work with investments, guys. You just keep adding to them, adding to them, adding to them, and never sell them. When you get a little bit of a pullback like that, what a great time to add more to your investment, eh? That's the time. That's the moment. Gold. Gold's the biggie. Everyone loves to trade gold. My opinion on gold was, I was long and short both ways this week, and I must say we made a profit on it, but it did hit the trend resistance here, came back down, took some money in this level, started to go back up. I was thinking it might get all the way up here, back up here to this trend resistance again before coming down, but it hasn't done so, and it looks to be steepening to the downside. Let's just have a look. It might still go up a little bit, take some more money, and then come down, but it does look pretty short at the moment, not looking so long anymore as it stands. But that depends. If you get an event in the world, it could turn it long. I'm still feeling kind of long on Brent. It's just hanging around the support level. Doesn't want to go anywhere. Looks like it wants to break off the support and take the long trade. Bit more coffee before we carry on. And we go on to the Forex. The Dixie has now broken through. Look, it broke through the resistance, went up to the upside, and it looked like it was going to go to the moon. Let's be perfectly honest. It's come back to retest. The test has failed. It's gone back out, come back into retest again, and it's turned it back into a resistance. The mere fact that this has turned back into a resistance again tells me that we're going to go flying to the downside a little bit. So if this is going to go down, if the Dixie is going to start going down now, you can be assured that the euro US dollar is going to start going long, which means this is the bottom for now. And you can start looking at long trades on the euro US dollar all the way back up to 109. Looks like it's breaking this structure. Just have a look on Monday, see if you've got a nice green candle and see if she's going to go to the upside. Same goes for the Great British Pound, US dollar. Look, it's come out of the support, giving you a long signal. And the Great British Pound US dollar is already long. Looks like a great trade. US dollar Japanese yen is now turning short. And it's broken through this area, broken through this what was a resistance, became a support, broke back through the support, retested. Looks like it's going down. So US dollar Japanese yen short, probably all the way back down to 142. The euro Japanese yen, very similar on the short side, going down. While we're here, guys, don't forget, trading is risky. 60 to 80% of traders do lose money. And in fact, on the 5-minute charts, 99% of traders do lose money. Please don't get upset with me for saying that. It's the fact of life. Somebody said to me, I'm biased to the one side and I do well in my short-term trades and blah, blah, blah. Well, good luck to you, dude. I'm so glad you're doing well and I'm excited for you. It always ends in tears. Always ends in tears. 99% of traders lose on 5-minute charts, and that's just a fact. Go over my videos, go and see what I've said. I'm not biased. I'm just stating facts, guys. I'm just telling you the truth. And if you're really upset with me, and if you really think that you're doing well, then I don't know why you would be watching my videos or interested in learning how to trade if you're doing so well. So, anyway. Just saying, guys, just saying. Yeah, we're all struggling. Trading is difficult. Trading is not that easy. And I know some people have got a lot of pride, but yeah, come on, calm down. Anyway, so Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, that looks pretty short to me. And it looks like it's going to continue on to the downside. US dollar ZAR. I would say that this is going to stay long for now. It's going to come back down to this support level that it's developed. You'll see that it's developed a heavy support in here. And if you look at this was a long lamp pole formation. It's created a very big flag or a very big range here. Normally will resolve to the upside. Barring that, there's going to be a big breakdown. So, but it looks to me like it wants to continue on to the upside from there. So long on US dollar ZAR. Euro Great British Pound. Sorry guys, I can't give you a call on this. It's just filtering around in this range. It's going nowhere, not doing anything. It's in the middle. It's not giving me any decent signal. No trade. US dollar Canadian dollar. There I'm looking at another long, as I said earlier in the video. Take a long out of this, what is now demand area, and there's a trend support. It's got everything going for it. Looks like a long trade, and it's in structure as well. But do be careful because this is turning around on the Dixie, but it's the Canadian dollar that's pushing this up at the end of the day. Australian dollar, US dollar looks to have hit the bottom. There's a bottom, there's a bottom, there's a bottom, there's a bottom, there's a bottom. Looks to be breaking structure, looks to be going long. So there's a very good chance if it breaks through this trend resistance that your Aussie dollar, US dollar is going to go to the long side. Your Great British Pound, Japanese yen, that's short. Guys, continue on short, probably all the way down to the 186. That's staying short. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Well, it's gone up. It's created a range. It's filtering around here. I really was hoping for it to correct down to at least the 88, or if not the 82. But it seems to want to continue on from here. This does look long. Looks like it's going to go on and try and get up to the 100,000. So guys, that's your trading week. Come back for tomorrow's video and enjoy. This is just a rundown on the markets. Like I say, this is a raw video with no editing. So please excuse any of the ums and ahs or any of the gaps in the video, let's say. And till next time, thanks for watching this one. I hope that helps you. I hope that rundown on the market gives you some insight as to what we're feeling for next week. See you tomorrow, guys. Cheers, thanks, and bye.